Today we're looking at the Fortress aluminum cap by Dexter. This is part number K21-305-00. So they call this the aluminum cap for the 4-inch diameter axles for Lippert. But they can also be used for the Carter axles, and they can also be used for the Dexter axles. It's a pretty good design. I like this little fill port right here, so you don't have to take out this plug, because this plug is sometimes a really pain to get out. You can see it's a clear cap, so you can see the oil level at all times. It's going to be real hard to break versus the plastic caps that come with them. Screw on, so you can just conveniently screw it on. It has the rubber gasket right here, the O-ring, and so the inner diameter is going to be 3.56 and the outer should be 4 inches. My thing might be a little off, looks like it is. And yeah, it's a really cool little upgrade for your trailer axle. These are going to be for 12,000 pound and 16,000 pound axles, 15,000 pound axles with the 4-inch. So like a 12,000 pound Carter axle, Lippert axle, Dexter axle, 15,000 pound Dexter, Carter, 16,000 pound Lippert or Carter axle. And I'll show you how easy it is to put them on. So this is how you're going to install this aluminum cap right here. These are the Carter axles right here. You're just going to take this plastic cap off, just screw it off, and then just put this Fortress aluminum cap right in place of it and screw it on. And then voila, you got you a upgraded oil cap right there. Plain and simple, easy peasy. You can get these at trailerpartsunlimited.com or give us a call at 844-898-8687, or just stop by our distribution center here in Huntsville, Texas, and we'll get you fixed up. Thanks for watching.